Red Gaming here, and today we are playing Stick Fight. You know that one video I wanted to record a long time ago. This is not the 100 sub special, by the way.
Okay,
I am here with my good friend SuparFox.
What's up, buddy busters? This is from my actual mic. So, but that's the issue because this mic could pick up on you.
And that's fine. I'm doing setups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Head kick. Oh, I missed.
Oh my gosh! I just carried you. Oh god!
Not the Glock Among Us.
Oh. When are you gonna do an MLG edit in one of these videos?
Yes.
Ow!
No, that was fire.
Literally.
What? Feel like grass.
Cause baby,
Well, I'm
cause
saying.
baby, you are.
Man.
I normally lose at this game. Oh no! Why did you hit me in my ball?
I have a small pistol. Yo.
I just realized that we only have one map type on.
Are you kidding me?
That's why I went back to these maps immediately. Oh no!
Dummy hurt.
No!
You're gone. You're gone.
Lord have
I want my
mercy
win.
upon my
I
soul!
want my win. I want it. Get off my map. Get off my map. Are you kidding me?
That's bad.
No, not the box. No. You.
Oh! Cause baby, you're a copyrighted music.
What? Man.
I don't like that. I did like a JoJo pose at the end.
Man, I just fell straight on my temple. We settle this like men. Hey.
Laser beams!
I said like men.
You pulled out the freaking lava SMG. There's no men when that happens.
No, you shot. No.
Oh no! What?
Now I'm JoJo posing. We
No!
are farmers.
No! I don't want to be a farmer!
Freeze, buddy. Wait, Indigo.
Join the US Army today. Join Star Wars! Don't break the bricks.
Keyword Jenkins. Well, I'm not gonna break the bridge, but they are. What's up there? My name's Jimmy. Got the bingo blaster.
Wow, he survived the bingo blaster. No, it's the spikes myself.
Remember, dodge the spike ball. Dodge the spike ball.
I don't know.
What'd you say? I was.
What are you doing in my swamp?
That was embarrassing.
No, I don't want 3-for-1 snakes.
We're giving a 3-for-1 special on snakes. Snakes.
No,
Snakes.
stop. No, please.
0. I mean,
Stop.
oh, it's oh.
I
We did not have a
somehow
0-for-1
won that.
special on snakes. Just like the founding fathers intended.
No!
Listen.
Right in the spikes. I think I'm dead.
You die.
Well, happy Among Us Day, everyone.
No. Hot dog.
Fail!
Victory.
Well, I turned into a literal puddle.
It's working.
Wait!
I got backstabbed.
Cause baby, you're copyrighted! No, 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 no! No! Baby, what's military?
It's time for an icebreaker, pal.
I don't want to be drafted. I don't want to be drafted. You're being drafted!
I got drafted. Wait, stop. You seeing what I'm seeing? You got a 2-for-1 special on snakes. You're very lucky, I tell you that. You're very lucky. You're very lucky, I tell you what. Yep.
How many more bounces do you get?
I got bouncing.
Which Disney princess are you? I'm the one that can talk to snakes! Not the glue gun! No, it's in the thumbnail! He's hitting me with the gun in the thumbnail!
It's canon.
Oh no!
I think this a cool twist of fate. Why does my...
No! Been recently. I was gonna go, we can talk about this, but I just got turned into spaghetti.
You got turned into mush. What's the throw button again?
F.
We settled this like man.
We truly settled this like man.
You are finished. レッドゲーミング
Oh, I got it.
No! Rules for men. Don't come into my space.
You're going to my space.
I am not going to the. I am not going to the website known as MySpace.
Yes,
No.
you
No, I am going to MySpace.
That's it, to my space.
3-for-1, snakes aplenty. Snake-tastic.
Ow.
You
I
shot.
vanished.
You shot.
Ow, my foot. You're so
back.
mean.
Get back, you ruffian.
You call me a ruffian, eh, son? You sound just like Americans. Come on,
Okay.
Brit. You're not British.
Nothing more. I literally scooted across the ground in the air.
Anyways.
No, wait, I can survive. I can no.
Why'd I fall down like a Roblox falling animation? What?
Oh, we settled this like men.
We saw this like that. Oh, my balls.
Clipped you. I get the Sonic Adventure pose.
Listen, we can talk about this.
Like the 4th of July. He wasn't firework.
And
I'm like a boss, baby.
oh,
Imploded when you die.
now this one spins. Aaron Yeager.
No! I like, don't betray me, bro. You betrayed me, bro. Maps suck.
Through the wall?
So you're gonna try to get the lightsaber?
Yeah. Welcome to the wild, mild west. Welcome to the...
Doritos dimension.
No, I want it.
America.
Going outside, like... Oh, this is the one with the lava that instant.
Listen, I like you. Go on, take your next breath outside. Send me to the next dimension.
Alright.
No, with the firework gun.
It's in the lava.
Oh, don't worry, I'll get it.
Yeah, this... So just right here. Exodia, final push.
Don't show me. This is true. Just trying to survive the black hole.
I mustn't die.
I can't die. No, no.
No. Exodia, the final revenger. Have fun dying. Now?
No, I'm gonna get another sip of water.
Yeah. You move once though, it's game over. I'll watch you like a hawk.
You know that makes sense.
I told you, you move once, it's game
So
over.
funny though.
Now no one gets it. Come on, chicken. Ooh.
No, you got it. Revolver.
We'll be going down together.
Oh.
Basically the final destination. Oh god.
This is so fitting too, because this is one of the maps we've played most on. This is it. Winner gets all.
You will soon learn your placement.
Right now. Do it. Oh, what else do people say in outros? Watch more video. Consume content! No!